Way is a 5. Why this is not able to play here? This is PDF, right? So in the last class I was teaching you how to write ka. I hope every one of you have observed. So today I'll be collecting your notebooks, okay, and see what you have, how you have written, okay. And tomorrow I'll see whether I have to give you more, or those who are improving, they will not be writing down. We are going for higher level of Tibetan language, okay. So in the last classes I was saying that we are not this one. This one is best, right? Now observe those who are not in the class, especially Pawanji. I also have a friend called Pawan. So Pawan, see, this is called as ka in Tibetan. How do we write? First we write a cap like this, okay. Then a straight line, a small straight line, okay. Then a longer line and one straight line. This is called as ka. I'm writing again. See, like this. This is how you have to write down. I'm teaching you here, those who haven't seen from there. First we have to write. This is the hat. Hat or cap. Then one small line. And there is a slanting line. And a straight line. Ka. Easy to write, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm teaching you again. See, a cap and one short line, slanting line, and a long tail. This is leg of ka. I hope you all have understood. Now let's go to the next ka. Ka kamba, ka kawa. Ka kawa, ka kamba, ka ka. We all are having mouth. For mouth we call ka. Ka, single ka. Okay. Now if I write ka, see, first what we have to do is we have to write down the cap. Okay. And then a straight line and a curved line like this. Okay. Observe Tenzu Mangala. And a small sa inside ka. And satu. I'm writing here again. Hat, straight line, and small sa like structure, and that's ka. And lastly, I'm writing one more time. Okay, those who are not observing, Tenzi Mangala and all. Okay, cap and one straight line, a curved line. If you learn this, you will be able to learn write sha, wa, ka. Right? So if I add a small sa here, then it becomes ka. Easy, right? First, how I've written this. Okay, head, and then yes, a cage-like structure, a house-like structure, and inside it I'm writing sa. And then the thatu. This is ka. Now we'll move to ka, not ga. I have to do like this only. Ka, not ka. It's ka. 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 Not ga. Ka. 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 Now in order to write ka, same, we have to write the head of the letter and a small sa like structure. Done? And then a straight line called as leg of the letter. This is ka. This is chatung. Chatung means chap means full stop and tung means shorter one. We also have a longer one. Chagring. Okay, chatung and chagring. I'm writing again. First head of the letter and straight line forming a sa, and then kha. Done. Now we'll move on to the ma. Ma. Ma is easy. Ma means ourself, myself. Ma. 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 Basic book. Ma. Now in order to write ma, how we have to write? Straight line and like this. Are you able to do this?
Yes.
We are having how many lines in Tibetan? How many lines are in Tibetan?
3.
How many lines?
3. First
Just
3
give me.
and last and
How many lines?
4.
See, 1 line,
4.
2 lines, 3 lines, and 4 lines. Right? Now see how I am writing. Look here. Ma. Till here you have to write a straight line. And then you can slant it. Curve it. Okay? This is ma. Easy to write. One straight line and then curve it. Ma. After ma, what will come?
Cha.
Cha. Cha is quite difficult. Many of you are not writing it correctly. How it is done? First we have to write down the head of the letter. Head of the letter is like this. A small triangle. But triangle shouldn't be too pointed. Okay? And then you have to write a straight line and a small triangle here at the bottom. And then you have to connect the vertices of 2 triangles. This is cha. Again I am writing name. Head of the letter. Head of the letter plus straight line. One straight line. And then connecting line at the center. Will you be able to write this down?
Yes, sir.
And see whether how it is recording. Quite better. This is cha. I hope every one of you have followed. Pawanji. First head of the letter, one straight line, a small curve, and again another small curve. And these 2 lines should be connected. And this is called as cha. Cha. And after cha, what comes? Cha. If you know how to write down cha, cha is easy. How? Cha is joining together of 2 cha. See how? We have to write down small triangular head. And then straight line. Again small slanting line. And no electricity. It's okay. Doesn't matter. Chalani chama cha cha chama.
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 Chama. After cha, what will come?
Chama.
Cha 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 nya. Nya la ni nya pa nya 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 pa.
Chalani chama
nya 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 pa. Ta la ni ta la ta 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 la.
Chalani chama
Ta 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 la.
cha.
Tha la ni tha ma tha 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 ma.
Chalani chama
pa pa pa. Ma ma la ni ma 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 ma.
Ma la ni ma 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 ma.
Ma la ni ma 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 ma.
Ma la ni ma 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 ma.
Sa la ni sa pa sa 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 pa.
Sa la ni sa pa sa 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 pa. Sa la ni sa pa sa 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 pa. Sa la ni sa pa sa 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 pa.
After that.
Sa
Sa la ni sa wa sa 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 wa.
sa la ni sa wa sa 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 wa.
Sa la ni sa wa sa 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 wa.
Sa la ni sa wa sa 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 wa.
Sa la ni za ya za 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 ya.
Sa la ni sa ya za 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 ya. Sa la ni sa ya za 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 ya. Sa la ni sa ya za 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 ya.
Za 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 wa wa la ni wa ka. Wa la ni wa ka. Wa 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 ka.
Wa la ni wa 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 wa.
Wa la ni wa ka. Wa 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 ka. After what? Sha la ni sha ra. Sha 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 ra.
Sha la ni sha ra sha 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 ra.
Sha la ni sha ra. Sha 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 ra.
Sha la ni sha ra sha 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 ra.
Sa 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 sa. Sa la ni sa sa ma sa 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 ma.
Sa la ni sa ma
Sa 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 ma. Sa la ni sa ma sa 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 ma.
Sa la ni sa ma sa 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 ma.
After sama sa a la ni a cha a cha.
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 Good, good.
Ya
Ya ya la ni ya ma ya ya ma.
ya la ni ya ma ya 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 ma. Ra ra
Ya la ni ra ma ra ra ma.
ra la ni ra ma ra 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 ma. Ra
Ya la ni ra ma ra ra ma.
ra la ni ra ma ra ra ma.
After
La
la la ni la ka la ka.
Sha la ni la pa la 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 pa. Sha la
La ka
la ka.
la ka. And after that. Sha la ni sha wa sha 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 wa. Sha la ni sha wa sha 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 wa. After sha sa. Sa la ni sa cha sa 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 cha. Sa la ni sa cha sa 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 cha. After sa. No. Sa. Ha ha like ha. Ha la ni ha 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 ha. I'm mixing the alphabets of Tibetan and trying to form words by single alphabet. Ka, kawa. Only ka and wa. Wa here is ha. After, say like, if y is coming, ha is coming after a letter we call, instead of saying ha, we say wa. Okay. After sha, if ha comes, sha wa. Okay.